Every country has a birthday. America has July 4th, and Russia has June 12th.
But this birth story is shockingly recent for a country so ancient. The first Russian state was documented in 882 AD, but the people, the ancestors of modern Russians, were written about centuries earlier. Not a young civilization, but an ancient one, with people who have lived on this land since at least before the year 500 AD, according to the first known written accounts.
And yet, the holiday marking this birth only began on June 12, 1990. Why?
Because on this day, the Russian Soviet Federative Socialist Republic, RSFSR, one of the 15 republics in the USSR, passed the Declaration of State Sovereignty, the first formal step toward a separate identity within the Soviet Union.
Not fully separate yet, but from that day forward, Russian laws would take precedence over Soviet laws within its own territory.
Just a year later, 1991, the USSR collapsed. It was a very tough time, and it was an incredible loss for many people. Factories closed, the ruble collapsed, borders shifted. What remained was something new, the Russian Federation.
In 1992, June 12th became a national holiday, officially titled День принятия Декларации о государственном суверенитете РСФСР. It was quite a mouthful and didn't exactly inspire celebration. That's why in 2002 the name was simply changed to День России, Russia Day.
And today, within just a few decades, Russia is not just surviving, it's thriving on the global stage. It ranks among the top economies in the world, a major energy exporter, a nuclear power, a spacefaring nation. Its infrastructure is world-class. Its cities are clean, modern, efficient, and safe. Today, Russia stands proud. And on June 12th, many Russians take pride in all of this, celebrating the progress their country has made under its new name. Across the country, cities host things like parades, concerts, and fireworks. And here's how we celebrated День России here in Irkutsk, which is a city deep in Siberia. Everyone came out to celebrate. Musicians were walking around playing instruments and singing, and everyone was having a great time dancing and singing along. People are out walking around and enjoying the scenery and buying local handcrafted items that were being sold at the booths that were set up around. There was a samba showcase, which is a type of Russian wrestling. There were some really incredible concerts with full orchestras, operatic singers, and powerful choirs. The city also put on a really fun dance celebration where the dancers were in the center and they were dressed up in different traditional outfits from all the different cultures and ethnicities within Russia. The city also put on a firework display, but unfortunately we didn't realize, so we missed it. But not everyone sees it the same way. For some, it's just another day off. For many others, it's still a difficult memory, a reminder of the collapse of the USSR, everything they lost, and the life they once knew. All of these views are true, but there's another truth worth holding on to. Through new flags, new names, and new political systems, the Russian people remained, and the spirit of Russia still lives. The same land, the same people, and the same culture and traditions dating back over 1,500 years. The Russian Federation may have been born in 1991, but in a way, Russia is as old as time itself.
Enough.